Hello all YouTube friends. How are you today? I hope all of you are in good health. Amin. See you again on the Metal Coin channel. In the following I will inform you about ancient money from various countries in the world. Enjoy. 4 ways to sell old money to collectors. Can sell for high prices. Jakarta, CNBC, Indonesia. Old money that can no longer be used as a means of payment can actually have a high selling value. However, this only applies if you are selling your collection of rare old coins to collectors. However, most people are still confused about how to sell it. So how do you sell old coins to collectors so that they sell at high prices? The following is his presentation summarized by CNBC Indonesia. As usual, before I continue, it would be nice to like, subscribe and comment. Also turn on the bell so you don't miss any information about ancient money from various countries in the world. Thanks. 1. Sell on the marketplace. To sell old money, you can sell it to marketplaces that are available online. This place could be the best option for selling the ancient money you have. You can also reach collectors from many regions in Indonesia. 2. Offer to collectors. Collectors usually have their own community. You can offer it directly to collectors of ancient money if you have connections to that community. Make sure the condition of the money is still worth selling so you can get a high price. 3. Old money seller. Another way is to sell it to old money sellers around your area. You can find this in antique shops and markets. 4. Sell on social media. Another way to sell old money that you can do is by posting it on social media. You can apply this to get collectors and even online sellers. Thank you. Hopefully this is useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and turn on the bell so you don't miss information about ancient money from various countries in the world. Healthy greetings always for all of you.